What's up, guys? Today we're going to be performing an oil change on our 2016 FRS. The dealership more than likely put in some 0W20, and we're going to be putting in Motul 8100 Power 5W30. Fun fact, the Gen 1 BRZ owner's manual did specify 30 weight engine oil for any heavy loads, high load situations. For us, we're a performance shop. We're going to be beating on this car. It's going to be running E85 a lot with the tunes that we have on it. So we are going to be putting in 5W30, some high quality Motul oil. So stick around, we're going to get this done, and at the end, a little special surprise for you guys. All right, so to start, we've got our 14mm wrench, and we're going to get here on the drain plug, loosen that up, start draining the old engine oil out. Okay, so with our old drain plug and crush washer out, a little something special for you guys. We thought this needed an upgrade. We knew this needed an upgrade. TechSport magnetic drain plug for the FRS and BRZ, FA20 and FA24 engines. This one is a different thread pitch. It is actually M16 by 1.5. And this should fit the motors just fine. The other one that we have out is for all the other Toyota engines. So make sure if you are looking to purchase this, you purchase the one specifically for the FRS and BRZ. So let's go ahead and put this thing in, but first let's prove it is indeed magnetic. The stock one, no magnet. So this will pick up any metal particulates in the oil, ensuring you have a clean engine, giving you that peace of mind whenever you change your oil. You can clean it off and make sure that your engine is totally healthy. So let's go ahead and put it in. And torque it down in a moment. Okay, so we got the TechSport magnetic drain plug installed, and we're going to torque this down to the factory spec, which is 31 pound-feet. This is a 17mm on the TechSport plug. We'll go ahead and get that tightened down. That's it. All right, now we're going to take off the old engine oil filter and install a new genuine OEM Toyota engine oil filter. Okay, so all of our engine oil service kits, of course, will include your engine oil, a genuine Toyota oil filter, and a stainless crush washer. So for ours, we already installed the TechSport magnetic drain plug, so we don't need this, but let's go ahead and get our oil filter on. So genuine Toyota. All right, so always a good idea to lubricate the engine oil seal here. There is a little bit of grease on it out of the box, but it's best to put a little oil around the ring to ensure it's fully lubricated. So we'll wipe down the sealing surface right here to get any of the dirt and grime that got into the old bucket. Make sure all that dirt and debris is out. And that's good. All right, next, take off the oil fill cap. And we'll get ready to fill it up. All right, so we got our Motul 8100 Power 5W30 engine oil ready to go in. The FRS and BRZ Gen 1 take 5.7 quarts or 5.4 liters of engine oil with a filter change. So let's go ahead and get that in. All right, so we've got 5 liters in. We're gonna put 0.4 liters extra in to make it a total of 5.4 liters. All right, so now we're going to reinstall the oil cap. Now the oil is full. Tighten that down. And we can go ahead and check the oil fill level on the dipstick. We're going to do this again after we warm up the car and run it for a few minutes. I'm just going to make sure the dipstick has oil on it. So what you're going to want to see is oil up into that second hole there. That is the full hole. And so we're right there at 5.4 liters. All right, guys, so that's a wrap on our FRS oil change. Quick and easy. Hope you enjoyed it, got something out of it. Of course, our TechSport oil drain plug is going to be available on techsport.com. Look for it. We're going to be releasing the product very soon. Check our socials for that date. And yeah, you guys can check us out at techsport.com for any of your oil change kits. We've got Liquid Moly, we've got Motul, we've got OEM Toyota, basically everything you need. So check us out. Thank you.